Hello, this is a video of example 1 for Geometry Topic 1, Lesson 2. In this lesson, the essential question is how are a straight edge and compass used to make basic constructions, the vocab, angle bisector, construction, and perpendicular bisector, and in the end, you'll be able to use a straight edge and compass to construct basic figures. You'll be able to do that with an actual straight edge and compass and using Desmos, which is a program they have here in the Savas. The exploring reason you should have done in class with a teacher. Example 1, copying a segment. How can you copy a segment using only a straight edge and a compass? Here we have a segment. We're going to copy it. First step, using a straight edge and a compass, would be to draw a line. Label one point as M. Now it's called a straight edge. We're not going to use the ruler. We're not going to use the markings. We're just using it to make a straight line. To make it the exact length, you're going to use a compass. More on that later. Step 2, take the compass, open it up till you have one endpoint at A and the other one at B. Keep that setting or lock that setting the best you can, and then bring it down to M and make a little mark where your other endpoint is going to be, endpoint N. And now what you'll see is we have a segment MN, which is the same length as AB, because we used the compass to do that. Again, you should not be using the straight edge as a ruler and those marks there. All right, now with Desmos, they want us to copy this segment XY. First thing, if you recall, was to make a line. So here's a line. This endpoint, I'm going to label it as M. So let me change that to be M. Why? I don't know. They used MN before, so I'm going to do it again. And now we want to use a compass. We're going to copy this segment right where M is. And that gives us our new endpoint N. So let me put a dot at N. Change the label to it. And now I have segment MN. And if you want, you can hide these things. Well, that's the whole thing. I didn't want to do that. Oh well. MN is the same length as XY. Let's see how theirs looks. They kept the circle in there, and they cut off the endpoints. I was not able to do that initially, but just to save time, we'll move on. That's actually the end of example 1. So you should be able to do problems 15, 16, and 10. You probably need to trace or approximate the original diagrams because we don't want you writing in the book, especially if you're using an actual compass and straight edge. So be ready for that. In fact, that's going to be true for the entire unit. Thank you for watching.